Yo, what's up guys? Mark here. Today I'm out here in the woods and we're going fishing. This is my first fishing video on this channel, Chefing Up with Mark channel. I do also have another channel, Mark Japanese, where I go fishing and speak Japanese. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. Link in the description. And if there are any of y'all who are interested in learning Japanese, comment down below and let me know. I do want to start doing like Japanese lessons. So comment below so I can know if any of y'all want some Japanese lessons. I did get some comments on this channel saying people wanted to see some fishing videos, catch and cook. So we're out here today, hopefully gonna catch a fish, bring it home and chef it up, make something today. So I live in Georgia, and yeah, we don't have silver carp in Georgia, but we do have common carp. The one that doesn't jump out of the water, and the one that's a little bit cuter than the silver carp. And those fish love corn. So I got some corn here today. And I'm also aiming for bass, so I got some worms. And then I also got bait for catfish. So yeah, we got 3 species today. And I'm hoping to catch at least one, a bass, a catfish, or a carp, common carp. Yep, so we're in the forest right now. I got a little trail. We're heading to the fishing spot. It's pretty hot out today. It's about 80 degrees. It's May 11th, so it's still spring, but we're closing in on summer. So perfect time to go fishing. Yeah, hopefully we can catch something today. This is the spot right here. Nice slow current right here. And then it picks up down there. Yeah, isn't this spot super beautiful? It's like a bend in the river. But yeah, I've seen bass swimming down here before, so yeah, aim over here, over there. Try not to get snagged. See if I can find a fish. Alright, so this is my bigger rod for catfish. I got 2 weights, a split shot, or not a split shot. What do you call this again? Sarukan. Well, how do you call this one? One of these things, I forget how you say it, and it's out of focus. Got the leader on it, down to a squid hook. And on it, I'm gonna put a smoked turkey hot dog. Alright, like this. That should be good. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna cast it over there where the current's pretty slow. Hopefully I don't get snagged. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Alright, let's redo that. 1, 2, 3, let's go! That's a pretty good spot. Alright, just put it down. Then we're gonna put a little bell on the end so we know if something hits it. Alright, first rod good. Alright, this rod got a little jig head. Then we're just gonna throw a worm on this, see if we can catch a bass. The sound of the flowing water over there is real nice. It's relaxing. Alright, I did see a bass a little bit ago, just right in front of me, right here. So I'm like, aim right here, see if he's still over here. It's a super nice day out today, not too hot, especially being in the shade over here. It's a nice little breeze, y'all can probably hear that, and some splashing over there. But yeah, super nice day out today. This is the Yellow River actually. So the river I'm always coming to in my videos. It's the same river. It's just, I've never been to this spot in a video yet, but. Yeah, super nice. A lot of times, sometimes I'll see beavers, not beavers, otters just floating down the river.お、釣れた。お、釣れた。なんか釣れた。あ、なんで日本語になるんかな。よし。We got a fish. Nice. Yeah, got it right over there at that rock. What we got here? It's a redbreast sunfish right here. Redbreast sunfish. Two fish. Nice size, about as big as my hand. Alright, see you, buddy. Alright, first decent fish of the day, redbreast sunfish. Let's see what else we can get at this spot. I'm aiming the same spot. He hit it pretty hard right in front of that rock.おい、やめてくれ。Whoa, whoa, 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 whoa. Yabai, 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 yabai. Do I got some? Yes. Something definitely hit it. Oh. Yep, I got a fish. No way. It? Now it's super light. Left. Okay. Okay. We got some, guys. No way. Yaba. Eh? Oh, fast. Yo, shut. Stop. What is it? This is definitely a catfish. Wow. It's a turtle. We got a turtle, guys. Oh. No way. We had a turtle, but then he came off. Wow. Thought it was a catfish. Honestly, I might have been down to eat them if I had got them, but wow. That turtle was freaking huge. Holy smokes. Alright, I'm gonna throw another piece of hot dog on and see if I can get another one. I would be down to eat one if I actually catch it. Alright, got another wiener. See if we can get a catfish, or I will take another turtle. All right. I'm gonna set it down. All right, looking good. I'm gonna put the bell on and wait for another bite. Yeah, sorry guys. The catch and cook was a fail. I wasn't able to catch some to cook. I caught that redbreast sunfish, but that was too small. And then I caught the turtle, which I would have ate if I caught it, but it got away. Yeah, this calls for revenge. I'm gonna do another video in the future. Catch and cook. Try to catch a catfish, a carp, or a bass. And if I catch a turtle, I will eat the turtle, because I've seen other people do it. I know a lot of other cultures eat turtles. So I mean, I'm pretty open to it. Next time, the catch and cook will be a success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.